Yeah, I ain't got no food. And I've got a bug on the backside. Get away. He's trying to go mining. He won't find gold, but he'll find coal. And got the hood back on, the tank back in. I couldn't find too many videos of guys telling the detail. I should have did, but I forgot. There's a bolt here, another here. Toward the front of here, there's three. Go across the top there. But you know what happens to JB? What's that? COLR in vinegar when you leave it in the tank, you leave the petcock on it. This happens. It's like anti-seize on the bottom of it. But bought a new one, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Dissolve that sucker right off. I'm gonna tighten this really hard so it won't come back off. Because this was new too and this fell off out of nowhere. But that's something. That's what people call cork them now or something. Well, put this back on. Go from there. And if you're trying to find a battery, it's cheap enough somewhere. Do you guess where I got this one? Ain't around 60 something bucks. 6-volt battery if you got an old tractor. And oddly enough, a jungle site, 15 bucks. At worst, it's 30 to 50 now. Around there, Tractor Supply and Roll King. Trying to save a buck. Let's put this up. Now that I got this installed, wow, that's a lot clearer. I don't know if it stays that way or not. Not a pea color yellow anymore. It was all a rusting tank if you watched that video. Let that run a second and start her back up. But COLR and some vinegar, it did work. But however, these are 11 millimeter for the fuel line, because I couldn't find the right size. Close enough. Somehow this thing won't fit in the area. Well, I'll get it cranked up so she runs. Huh. Real start. Maybe it's cold still. I gotta do the carburetor again. This is what you call a real video. But I'll clean the carburetor, see if that changes anything. It still runs like a Ford. Got the gas flowing here for a second. Now, let's see if it does the same thing. Somewhere. Back to the drawing board. Next day here, or two is it? Standing in the puddle. Looking for the problem. It's got a little filter on it, had full rust in it. Forgot to check that. Had to watch a video with somebody else talking about it. I see some crud in there. My luck, probably take it back off and totally rebuild it or buy another carburetor. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. No wonder I wouldn't run, couldn't breathe. too tight, so that'd probably do it over again. And I'll get this buttoned up. Go. It's been running a few minutes. I guess that's what it was. A little bit of dirt. Had to clean out the tank. The new solvent trap, float bowl, petcock, whatever you call it, depends where you are. But I can rev it up and down now. So this all was a bunch of rust. Running good and smooth now. Can't believe this thing's from 30, I think it's 1939 it said on the hood. Don't make them like they used to. Not to go in the wind. Thank you all for subscribing. If you like this video, thank you for subscribing. You want to see a bunch of videos guys talking to yourself. I'm right here.